Here's how to change the font on your Android phone. Now you have two different options. The first one is to swipe up and get into your settings. You can either change the font in here, and I'll show you a second way to be able to change it as well. Now the first thing we're going to do from your settings is scroll down until you get to display and tap on that. Now from here, let's just scroll down until you find font size and style and tap on that. You can see on the main screen, I can change the font size to be either really big or really small. I can choose to bold the font if I wanted to make it bold or just normal. And then here is font style, aka different font types that you can download or use the default ones. Now here is default, but I could switch over to Samsung 1 and it shows me what that font looks like. And I can switch over to Gothic Bold or Roboto. However, let's say I want to choose to download a new font on here. You can see it defaults to the top font. I usually switch over to top free fonts because I don't necessarily want to pay for them. And on any of these, you can see the top ones. Let's choose Rosemary. I don't know what that is, but let's just check it out and see what it is. Now let's just go back out of here. We'll go back into your settings, and there is Rosemary. Tap on that, and you'll be able to see, just like that, I can make it bold or unbold. And then I can also make this bigger. If you don't like any of the fonts on here, though, there is another option to be able to get fonts. Let's hop out of here and instead open up the Google Play Store and then tap on search. And then from the search bar, we can just type in font. You can see now it has all of this new Rosemary fonts everywhere. I can search for fonts here. You can see cool fonts, keyboard, letter fonts, etc. So on a lot of these, you can see 100 million plus downloads. I can tap on these, and these are more specifically fonts keyboards, which allows you to type in different cool fonts that are built into these apps. You can see as I scroll down, it will allow you typewriter, outline, emoji, tons of really cool fonts that you'll be able to type to your friends using these fonts, making these cool characters and stuff like that. You can always download those third-party font keyboards as well.